Shapes and pictures. In addition to our Smart Art feature, we could make use of tools such as Clip Art, Pictures or Shapes. We can see those features in the Insert menu. You can see Shapes, Clip Art or Picture. From the Shape tab, we can simply choose a shape. For example, here I am going to take arrow. When I grab the arrow and go to my spreadsheet, you'll notice a plus. I'm going to click, hold and drag and my arrow appears. Next, I can simply right-click on the arrow and go to the text options. Here I can type in anything that I want to. Again, the idea is to allow things to stand out on the screen. Now when I am on my arrow, see once again that there's a specialty tool. This is called as a drawing tool. The drawing tool gives me the format. When I go to the styles, I can very quickly change the style so it matches my actual spreadsheet itself. Now to format the text, I'm simply going to go Home. When I go Home, I can center it. I can also center it in the middle of the arrow too. I can adjust the width of the arrow and I can adjust the height of the arrow itself. I can of course move the arrow simply by click, hold and drag. Note that you can also rotate the arrow. I'm going to go to the green circle. Notice when I do, I get a circular command. Now I can flip the arrow any direction I want to. I can even very easily change it to the opposite direction by going to the square on the side and then shifting the arrow to another direction. I can again pull the shape of it in any method that I want to and then actually change it around the screen in any method that I like. Now I'm on that format screen and this lets me to go in and change any of the information I want to. For example, I want to select no fill, so this is the effect. I'll go back to a color and perhaps now I want to readjust the location of the arrow. I'll move it around. I'll flip the rotation of it and then I can just move it over to firm 1. This allows me, of course, to adjust the sizing of it in any method that I want to. One more little thing I want you to notice is this little diamond. When I move this diamond, look at this, how I'm actually adjusting the arrowhead itself. This will let me to change the shape. Once again, it's individual liking for how I'd like it to appear on the screen itself. This feature is very useful while working with presentations. Here again, I get the drawing toolbar where I can easily change the color of the arrow and even choose the outline color of the arrow. I can choose the shape effects, so if I'd like to put a reflection on, I can quickly put on a reflection to it. When I am going to picture, I simply go to my library and choose the picture I want. Now here's a warning that I have for you for the pictures. When I select one and I say insert, it comes up at the original size of the picture. Then you have to adjust it to see it properly by using zoom bar on the bottom of the sheet. So these are the latest tools introduced in Excel 2010 to utilize it more powerfully and to save time.